Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a before after video effect in CapCut. So here I'm going to show you how you can create a after result of your edits in CapCut. And here what you need to do is prepare your videos, and let's duplicate it and make one of the video as overlay. Okay, so for the overlay here, I'm going to make some changes into the color to make it obvious. Or here you can add the video that has been added. For example, you add some filter or others editing that you like. So I'm going to just add filter into this. So I'm going to go to adjust, and here I'm going to find filters. Let's try to add this humble filter, and let's go to adjust and make it more obvious. Okay, like this, for example. And after that, click on the overlay video and find mask, select the horizontal option, and here rotate it to 90 degrees like this. Okay, I'm going to just rotate it like this, and let's move the masking to the left. Okay, add a keyframe, and now go to the end of the clip, add another keyframe, or you can just swipe the masking to the right like this, and another keyframe will be automatically added. Okay, click on the check icon, and this is the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.